Right, back for part 4, is it? I think it's part 4. Part 4 or 3. Right, we're about at the end here. About 50 minutes. As you can see, the rice is about done. Because I've never done this before, I'm going to taste it. And if I don't like what I taste, then I'm going to add some things to it. So down. Right. Get a bit of pineapple and things in there. Hopefully this isn't too hot. It is hot. Quite sure about the taste. It's quite nice in a weird way. I think I'm happy with it. What I'm going to do is do myself a portion. So I'm going to turn these off now. I'm going to do myself a portion. And if I really don't like it, or I think something's missing, then I'm going to add a few things for the rest. But I think it might be alright. So come back for the final video to see. This is about 50 minutes in, by the way. Rice is done, needs sieving, and this just needs pouring out on the plate, and we'll come back and see it on the plate.